Today I want to show you the killer feature in DaVinci Resolve 16. So let's jump into DaVinci. Okay, so we are able to make different timelines with different settings in terms of resolution and frame rate. So why it's a game changer? Let me show you. So we've got this timeline where I do my edit for last tutorial, and now we just need to make it for the different type of social media. For example, for Instagram, we need to do it a square. If you need to make sure that you have the same edit on 4K and 1080 and 1080 by 1920 or 1080 by 1080, it's the best way to make this happen is go to timelines, create new timeline, and now you have this standard new timeline pop-up window. But what you can do is use custom settings, and now you have to go to format. You can choose from different resolution that are set in here, or you can go by custom and you can type in for example 1080 by 1080 square, 24 frames, technically 23976, and go create. And what we get here is this square timeline. And to make sure that you have the same edit, you can go here, highlight everything, Command C on the Mac, Control C on the Windows, get back to timeline we created, and Command V. And this is all you need to make sure that this is perfectly square. Now you can trim it, you can do whatever you want, because basically this is too long for Instagram, but we can go just by our intro and trim it to 1 minute, and then we can upload this to Instagram and bang. So the same way is if you need to make timeline that is suited for upscaling, downscaling, it doesn't matter. You can go right here and you can choose different settings. Let's do the I don't know, 2K version maybe. Okay, let's do the 2K version like this, and now we can go and paste our footage right here, and automatically it will fill the timeline resolution and upscale your footage to your timeline settings. So this is nice, you don't have to do it manually, and if there is enough resolution, you can just work with that. This is it for me. I hope this is somewhat helpful, and if you want some more of this juicy stuff, please let me know in the comment section down below. And as you can see, the setup is changing constantly. I was in a need to make some changes, so hope you like this new setup. More to come to this this environment that I'm working on. Maybe some new lights, maybe some acoustic panels, because I need it. We'll see. Stay positive, stay healthy. See you in the next one. Bye.